How to buy crypto on Kraken. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to buy crypto on Kraken. So in order to do this procedure, you have to make sure that the account is verified, and then to begin with, log in into your Kraken account. Once you're logged into your account, click the trade icon from the top right hand side corner of your screen. Then it's going to take you to the page where you can go ahead and select the asset that you wish to buy or sell. Now select the asset and then the network type as well, and it's going to take you to the other interface where you need to go ahead and select the buy button, enter in the exact amount and the price, and accordingly convert the currency type as well if you want to, and you need to go ahead and enter in the exact amount and all that. And if you're sure about it, then click the buy button located right at the bottom. Then you'll need to confirm all of these, order type and all that. So go through this phase and then enter in the information accordingly, and just confirm the transaction. That's how you can buy crypto on Kraken. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.